Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Today we will start a new lesson of class 4 and your 5th lesson, and that is multiples and factors. Very important lesson. So in today's class we are going to discuss only about this multiples, what are the properties of multiples, and we are going to solve some examples from your my practice time 1. Okay. So dear students, what are these multiples? So let us take here one example. Multiples, okay, so I will take here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. I will take one more example, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, so on. So these are the multiples, isn't it? Then see here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Then how I got this? By multiplying this 2 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. I got this answer. It means 2 into 1 is 2. Again you multiply 2 into 2 is 4. When you multiply a number with 1, 2, 3, 4, you will get the products. Okay. See here the numbers are products obtained by multiplying 2 with 1, 2, 3. They are the multiples. Multiples. Okay. Clear? So I hope you understood multiples. In other hand, you have to keep in your mind multiples means you have to write the tables. Already you know tables, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. You know about tables. How you are getting that all the tables? See here by multiplying with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So this is clear to you. What are multiples? You take any number and multiply with 1, 2, 3 and you will get the multiples of that number. So for example here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are the multiples of 2, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, so on. Not only 3 10s are 30 over, the multiples are infinite in number. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 are the multiples of what? Here 3. I hope you are getting my point. Next here we will learn the properties of multiples. Properties of multiples. Properties of, very important concept, properties of multiples. So let us see here some properties of multiples. Okay, so here I will take some example, 6, 12, 18, so on. First one, again you take here 5, 10, 12, not 12, 15, 20, 25, 30, so on. Okay, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. They all are the multiples of 6. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. They all are the multiples of 5. By observing this, what do you come to know? See here the multiples are always equal or greater than the given number. See here 6 is there. 6 the multiples are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, so on. That is equal or greater than the given number. See here 6 is there. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. They are always equal or greater than the given number. I hope you are getting my point. This is the property number 1 of the multiples. Always the 6 are there, no? What? This multiples are there, no? Always equal or greater than the given number. And one more is every number is multiple of the given number. See here 6, in 6 1s the table 6 is there, in 5 1s the table 5 is there, in 2 1s the table 2 is there. So every number is the multiple of itself. For example 5 is the multiple of itself, 6 is the multiple of itself. And second property is multiples are equal or greater than the given number. And one more property is there, multiples are infinite in number. Okay, so here you are writing 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. Over it means no. Here multiples are infinite in number. After that again I have here 66, next 72, next 78. Like that again the procedure, again the numbers will continue there. So here the multiples properties, multiples are infinite in number. Okay, so these are the some properties of what? Multiples. Once again I will revise. Every number is the multiple of itself. Multiples are infinite in number. Multiples are equal or greater than the given number. So here they given, write the sixth multiple of, what is there here? Write the sixth multiple of 7. Write sixth multiple of 7. In case what you have to do here, you multiply the 6 with the 7. 6 sevens are 56. Yes, 6 sevens are is 50. Not 56, 6 sevens are is 42. Okay, 6 sevens are is 42. So here write the sixth multiple of 7. 6 sevens are 42. Write the fifth multiple of 7. You have to multiply 5 into 7. Again here write the second multiple of 5. Write the second multiple of 5. Means what you have to do here? 2 into 5 is 10. So this type you have to find the multiple of the number. Next here one more is there, is 56. Is 56 a multiple of is 56 is a multiple of 8. Then how you are going to check whether the 56 is a multiple of 8 or what? For that, here you need to divide 56 and divided by 8. Okay, 8 how much are 56? 8 sevens are 56 and 0 0. If you got here remainder as a 0, then 56 is the multiple of 8. Multiples divide the given number exactly without leaving here remainder. See here dear students, in this we are learning about multiples. I taught what are multiples, properties of multiples. So here some examples are there in your textbook. My practice time 1, write the first 9 multiples of the following numbers. Write the first 9 multiples of. So here I will solve my practice time 1. My practice time 1. My practice time 1. Only first main I will solve. Okay. In next class I will discuss about this factors. My practice time 1. Write the first 9 multiples. Write the first 10 multiples. First 10 or first 9 multiples. Okay, of the following. And here first one is 4, second one is 7, next one is 9, next is 8, here 4, 7, 9, 8, next one is 6 and 3. Means how to do this? Here you need to write 4 ones are table up to 9. Right here 4 ones are 4, 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. Next 4 6 are 24, 4 8 are 28, next 32, next 36. Up to here you stop it. Okay. See here 4 ones are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. You multiply. If you are not getting 4 into 1 up to 9, 4 into 2, 4 into 3, you multiply up to 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here write the first 9 multiples, means you need to write here up to 9 ones are up to 9. So next here again what we need to do here? Here you have to write 7 ones are table. Right here. next 49. Okay, so this type you have to write. Next here 9 ones are table, 8 ones are table, 6 ones are table and 3 ones are table. So I hope you are getting my point. Dear students, again here some examples are there, 9, 8, 6 and 3 are there. That you do as a homework. Here nothing is to do. Here you have to write 9 ones are table up to 9. So 8 ones are table up to 9 and 6 ones are table up to 9, 3 ones are table up to 9. I hope you are getting my point. Multiples means you need to write their tables. When you multiply 2 with 1, 2, 3, when we multiply the numbers and whatever we get answer, no, for that we are calling multiples. And see here dear students, multiples are always equal or greater than the number. Multiples are infinite number. Every number is the multiple of itself. Okay, so I hope you understood what are these multiples. In next class I will discuss about factors. I hope today's class is clear to you. Thank you.